Solution. Let the time taken by the larger pipe to fill the swimming pool alone equal to x hours. Therefore, the part of the swimming pool filled in 1 hour by the larger pipe equal to 1 upon x. Similarly, the time taken by the smaller pipe to fill the swimming pool alone equal to y hours. Therefore, the part of the swimming pool filled in 1 hour by the smaller pipe equal to 1 upon y. Therefore, part of swimming pool filled in 4 hours with larger pipe equal to 4 into 1 upon x equal to 4 by x. Similarly, the part of swimming pool filled in 9 hours with smaller pipe equal to 9 into 1 upon y equal to 9 by y. So by the given condition, both the pipes filled the swimming pool half. Therefore, the equation will be 4 upon x plus 9 upon y equal to 1 upon 2. Put it equation 1. Now the second condition is the smaller pipe takes 10 hours more that of the larger pipe to fill the swimming pool alone. Therefore, the second equation will be y equal to x plus 10. So from 1 and 2, we can put the value of y in equation 1. We get 4 upon x plus 9 upon x plus 10 equal to 1 by 2. So by solving these steps, we get 13x plus 40 upon x square plus 10x equal to half. So by side changing, you will get 2 in bracket 13x plus 40 equal to x square plus 10x. So by solving these steps, we get quadratic equation x square minus 16x minus 80 equal to 0. So the product we want minus 80 and the sum is minus 16. So the factor of the middle term is minus 20 plus 4. So the two factors, by solving this, we get x plus 4 into x minus 20 equal to 0. So from this we get one value of x is equal to minus 4, or the second value we get x is equal to 20. But we have considered x as a time. So time never negative, therefore x equal to minus 4 is not acceptable, and therefore we have to consider the second value x is equal to 20. Now the equation from 2, y equal to x plus 10. Now put value of x equal to 20, we get 20 plus 10 equal to 30. So y equal to 30 hours. So therefore the solution we got that the time taken by the larger pipe and the smaller pipe to fill the swimming pool alone are 20 hours and 30 hours respectively. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.